Wherever you are, whether standing or sitting, just find a tall, neutral spine. And allow your shoulders to relax down, away from your ears. Gently place one hand lightly over the center of your chest. Let this be your anchor, bringing your attention into your body. We will breathe in for a count of 5 and out for a count of 5. Let's begin. Inhale quietly through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel your hand rise just slightly. And exhale slowly through pursed lips, as if cooling soup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice your hand fall. And again, inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale through your lips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel a subtle release around your eyes. And inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Soften your jaw. Now, continue this rhythm on your own for the next minute and a half. A steady count of 5 in and 5 out. You can replace the count with a silent internal mantra that fits the rhythm. Breathing in, thinking calm. Breathing out, thinking now. 5 in, 5 out. Continue on your own. Now, let's take our final cycle together. Inhale fully through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale completely through your lips. Let it all go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now, simply allow your breathing to find its own natural, easy pace. Let go of all control. Bring your awareness back to the present moment. Notice the centered, steady feeling you've created. You are ready for what's next.